No. Oh my god. Did you know that Beauty Blender is my cat's favorite toy? Hello guys, and how are you today? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare 3 natural homemade face masks with ingredients that you can find in every house or at the grocery store. These face masks, they are perfect for winter time because your skin tends to get a little bit more dry. If you guys don't know, I'm originally from Romania, and their women are big fans of homemade face masks and hair masks as well. I want to mention that I am not an esthetician, so the information about the ingredients, the properties that they have, they are not based on studies, but they are based on people observations and feedback. All these ingredients are safe for everybody unless you are allergic to them. The masks have to be applied on a clean face after you wash your face with face cleanser and water. I like to do these face masks at night or at the moment in the day where I don't have to put makeup on my face. I just like to let my face to breathe and to enjoy that moisturizing after. So the face mask number 1. We're gonna need half an avocado and honey. So first we're gonna start by cutting the avocado in half, and I'm actually gonna take water. Let me see if this will be enough, and I'm actually gonna mash this. So as you see, it's very nice and ripe. We can add a little bit more. Next we're gonna take a spoon of honey. Put this in a bowl, and that's it. As you see, my face is a little bit red because I used before the clay mask. Avocado is good for skin because it has vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B, C, E, niacin, magnesium, potassium, lutein, beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty acids, and anti-aging antioxidants. Honey is very good for skin because it contains antioxidants. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. The antibacterial properties will make honey great as an acne treatment and preventing it. Just apply a generous layer. Don't be shy with this one. It just feels so good. Honey is also moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow. And we're gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I just removed my avocado and honey mask, and my skin feels very elastic and hydrated. I feel that avocado oil on my skin feels so smooth and beautiful and glowy. I love it. Face mask number 2. For the mask number 2, we're gonna need a clay mask. This is 100% Moroccan lava clay. And we're gonna need just some regular water, and also I'm gonna put a couple of drops of jojoba oil. Instead of this, you can actually use the Indian clay mask, or if you want, you can use the Aslavital clay mask. This is from Romania. I don't think you're gonna find it here. If you want to prepare this mask, it's better to use a plastic spoon and bowl or ceramic. Try to not use metal utensils because they say it's interfering with the properties of the clay. And now we're gonna add a couple of drops of jojoba oil. This is 100% pure cold press jojoba oil. Let's see, it should be enough. It doesn't look that good, but I promise you it's very good for the skin. Clay mask, it's very good at absorbing oil from your skin, so it's a deep pore treatment. It's very good for oily skin, acne prone skin, and normal skin. For sensitive skin, I advise you to leave it less time. So pay attention because this mask will make your skin a little bit red, and that's normal. Jojoba oil is amazing because it's moisturizing the skin, but it's not clogging the pores. My esthetician recommended to me. It's anti-inflammatory, it contains vitamin E, it has antioxidants which helps your skin produce more collagen. You can use the clay mask with some other ingredients. You can put cucumber juice. If you have sensitive skin, I recommend to use something more soothing like the egg yolk. So as you see, my face turned quite red, especially in those areas where the clay already dried down. My skin really looks like very clean. It really helped the blackheads as well. I really suggest to make this clay mask at night, or if you don't have to necessarily get out of the house, because your face is gonna look like this, a little bit red. And another tip that I would like to give you is to actually not apply makeup after you are doing this. Just let your skin breathe, put a lot of moisturizer on it to give that hydration, because the clay mask takes out the oil from your face. So right now you're gonna need a lot of moisturizer. I'm gonna apply a La Roche-Posay Tolerant Double Repair Face Moisturizer. But before, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of water. And then I'm gonna apply this. Face mask number 3. Okay, so for the next face mask, we're gonna need grinded oats. We're gonna need egg yolk, a little bit of honey, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. If you don't want to make the necessary step on grinding the oats because the pieces are quite big, if you don't want to use this, you can use bran, and this actually I got it from Romania, but you can find it here too. So if you see like the difference between them, this one it's much bigger than this one, and this one is gonna exfoliate the skin very well. But we're gonna use this and we're gonna grind it. It's not totally necessary to do this step, but the oats are pretty big and it might fall off your face when you're gonna apply them. So I separated the egg yolk. Okay, so we have like there's some lemon juice. Put the honey. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this. Alright, and then you have the mask number 3. And give it a bit like For eggs, I recommend you to use something organic. The egg whites tighten the skin and the egg yolks are moisturizing. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, zinc, proteins which nourish the skin. When you're gonna remove the mask, the texture of the oats will gently exfoliate the skin. The lemon juice has astringent qualities due to its acidic level. Also, it's antimicrobial. It helps with hyperpigmentation and it can lighten the freckles. However, do not use this every day. It's acidic and it can irritate the skin. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and for sure I'm gonna answer at all of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna announce the winner of the giveaway of Il Makiage lipstick, and the winner is Simone Gouveia. Congratulations! I will contact you to give me the details so I can deliver your gift. Congrats! Thank you very much for watching this, and if you have more recipes for natural homemade face masks, please let me know in a comment down below. I'm really curious to know about that, and maybe I'm gonna do another video about your suggestions. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye!